went on a train ride once. We got to play on a train. It was pretty cool. They were like, here, you play and we'll give you a ticket. And I'm like, okay, that sounds good to me. Then we got home and I'm like, ah, crap, I don't have a train song. So we made one. It's called Train Whistle. 1, 2, 3. If a day ever came, the world got flooded by the rain, I'd grab a paddle and a boat, make my way just the same, and I could fly like a bird in the sky above the world. But nothing can compare to a boxcar and a prayer. I hear the sound of a whistle, a train, a whistle slinging sun the long way. I smell luxury, freedom, that's the only thing you need. Track